नीट परीक्षे खातीर फोंड्या केंद्राचे कुंकळीच्या NITच्या नव्या इमारतीन स्थलांतर केलां। नीटाची परीक्षा आयतारा 5 मे दिसा कुंकळे जातली। गोंयांतल्या 5 ते 6 केंद्रांनी ही परीक्षा जातली। फकत फोंड्याचे केंद्र बदलले। तेन्ना परीक्षा दिवपाक येवपी विद्यार्थ्यांनी फोंड्या वचचें न्हय अशें आवाहन NITचे संचालक ओम प्रकाश जयस्वाल हांणी दिलां।
As you know, NIT Goa recently shifted to its new campus. Since last 14 years, we were at Farmagudi Ponda campus. Okay, and when we were in Ponda campus, we have conducted NEET. We were one of the NEET center. NEET exam is conducted by National Testing Agency (NTA). Okay, so they do all the logistics. Okay, in Goa there are total 6 to 7 or even more than that centers. One of them is NIT Goa. Now, what is our apprehension? Typically, if suppose one NEET candidate comes from Karwar, gets down at Kadamba bus stand and tell Autowala that please take me to NIT Goa. Inadvertently, a fellow may take him or her to Ponda campus. That should not happen. That is why we are taking your help to please publicize this, that now NIT Goa is at Cuncolim. All NEET candidates should go to Cuncolim campus. That is the basic this thing. Inadvertently, nobody should reach to this campus. Okay, that is the main aim of this. Okay, that now whoever has got NIT Goa as the test center for NEET exam on 5th May, they should go to Cuncolim campus. We are not operating at our Ponda campus. So our request to you is that please publicize this as much as possible. Okay, inadvertently also what happens, if suppose typically people go to their relative's place one day in advance and next day relative will take them to the local center. So NIT Goa means Farmagudi. That is the impression last 14 years we have. That should not happen. That is why we thought that we will take your help so that you can publicize it as much as possible to all the candidates of Goa.